Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this here Babo Biovaner Delixir. Wow, this is really cool because this can gain your health status to a maximum, baby. One measuring spoon is included for 150 health benefits. Over 100 premium ingredients. Fruity berry taste. Perfect alternative to capsules. We have vitamins, minerals, superfood, and more. 100% vegan and without added sugar. We have here 450 gram. That's a monthly package. In that starter set included is a measuring spoon and a bottle, and it's developed in Germany. Wow, Delixir is our daily life elixir for energy, focus, and well-being. In a world of full stress, unhealthy habits, and nutrient gaps, the self-care become a challenge. This is exactly where Delixir comes in. A fruity berry power drink with over 100 carefully selected premium ingredients combined in a single serving day. Ends of the pill chaos. The Delixir contains important micronutrients such as vitamins, minerals, plant extracts, fiber, and active bacteria strands. Compact in one serving per day. Possibility spoon cup. Yeah, simply mix a measuring spoon with 15 gram with water. This is a personal feel-good ritual ready every day because include our over 100 premium ingredients for us. Delixir provides us with what our body really needs every day. Only one spoon contains essential vitamins and minerals in the recommended daily dose. In addition, it contains plant extracts, fungi and polyphenols, which have been known for thousands of years in naturopathy, as well as 10 carefully selected bacteria strands. 35 plus fruit plant powder, 10 probiotic cultures, 13 essential vitamins, 12 minerals and trace elements, 4 mushroom extracts, and many more. And one drink comes 150 health benefits. It's good for our immune system. Vitamin C, D, zinc, and selenium contribute to the normal function of the immune system for us natural defense day by day. And energy metabolism. The vitamin C, the B12, the niacin, the magnesium, and the iron contribute to a normal energy metabolism and helps reduce the determinant and fatigue for more energy in everyday life. And cognitive performance. Vitamin B6, B12, and folic acid contribute to normal mental function. Iron and iodine also support a normal cognitive function, so that head and mind are in balance. And it protects against oxidative stress. Vitamin C, E, zinc, and selenium helps protect the cells from oxidative stress, an important component to the protection of our body cells. And muscle function. Magnesium, calcium, and potassium contributes for normal muscle function. This is the basics for mobility and strength. And on top, skin, hair, nails, no problem for it, because biotin and zinc contribute to the maintenance of a normal skin and hair. Zinc also supports the maintenance of normal nails, beauty struts from the inside out, with that Biovaner Delixir. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.